Brad, product specialist at Kinze, and today excited to talk about a new feature for model year 25 that is the ability to sync your log data off of your Blue Vantage display to your John Deere Operations Center account or your Ag Leader AgFiniti account. Basically taking the log data from your display, having it automatically upload into your user account, so that way you can eliminate the need for a USB. How does that process start? Well, really it starts by setting your permissions in the Blue Connect account on the computer side of things. So going to Kinze.com, in the upper right-hand corner, of course, is our link to Blue Connect. If we tap on Blue Connect, you can then sign in to your Blue Connect account. You can create a Blue Connect account here. You can, of course, create a Blue Connect account on your tablet as well. So I have my credentials in here already. I'm going to sign into my Blue Connect account. Once it logs into the Blue Connect account, on the left-hand side of the Blue Connect account feature, you see a settings item or a gear icon, similar to the settings icon on your tablet. We're going to go into settings, and you can see now below your account box is the connections tab in Blue Connect. So we're going to go to connections, and you can see we have both Ag Leader AgFiniti and John Deere Operations Center as the two options to select. So we'll do Ag Leader AgFiniti first, the first one on the list. So we simply tap on the AgFiniti item, and it says, hey, link your Blue Connect account to your Ag Leader AgFiniti account. And we simply press connect on this tab. This link takes you directly to Ag Leader's website to enter in your username and password for your AgFiniti account. So have an account, we go down to my password. I simply press accept. You now can see that you have the green checkbox on Ag Leader AgFiniti. You can see the checkbox confirming that those two accounts are now synced together. And that's it. All you have to do on Blue Connect to connect to Ag Leader AgFiniti. So we finished up with Ag Leader AgFiniti. Now we can do the same steps for the John Deere Operations Center part. So similar step, we're going to go down to the John Deere Operations Center part. We're going to press on it to select it. And then we come up to the same question where it says we want to connect to John Deere Operations Center. It takes us to, of course, the login for John Deere Operations Center. I have my username in here already. I enter in my password for my account. I verify in, and then it signs itself in. Now, depending on if you've been in here or not, there might be some extra steps merely on the John Deere side to say, hey, this is the organization I want to connect to. Simply follow those prompts through the John Deere side of things. You will then get your green checkbox here, and now your data will again sync to your John Deere Operations Center account. You can see I'm logged into both, so you can, again, log into multiple at the same time. All right, again, this feature released now as part of the model year 25 piece. So we have the Blue Connect part signed in on the computer side. What about the tablet side? If you haven't signed in or haven't used Blue Connect yet, where do we find those features? If we go on our tablet to our settings, on the left-hand side, there's the Blue Connect option on the left-hand side. And now we can log into our Blue Connect side of things. Again, if you haven't done this before, you again connect to Wi-Fi, log into your account. If you don't have an account, again, you can configure and make an account from the tablet. Again, the account is free. It doesn't cost anything to do that. And then you're going to want to, if you want to send this data real time as you're driving through the field, you're going to want to turn Map Sync on. Okay, so a couple things to think about from the log data transferring to Ag Leader AgFiniti or John Deere Operations Center. Number one, you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi source of some kind to send that log data. The log data is transferred really at the top of every hour of the day. Okay, so if you're connected to Wi-Fi as you're planting through the field, at the top of every hour, the data is sent to your account. If you don't have Wi-Fi as you're planting through the field and you just want to upload the data towards the end of the season, not a problem. And of course, will take a little longer just because there's more data in there. So at the end of the season, you've taken the tablet out of your tractor, you brought it into the office where you have Wi-Fi all the time. Again, using your power cord, same rules apply. You're going to connect, sign into your Blue Connect account, and then under our task page, so if we go under manage, you can see at the top where it says sync and is all data uploaded. At the end of the season, again, connected and through your Blue Connect account, you can come into your manage tab and press sync data, and it will start to push that data again up to the Blue Connect cloud, and then of course be transferred into your connections that you selected on the Blue Connect part. So saving you steps for utilizing the USB. Data can do real time at the top of every hour if you're using Wi-Fi as you're planting through the field, or again, can wait till the end of the season to do your entire task list if you so choose. Of course, it'll just take a little longer, as we mentioned before, just because there's obviously a lot of fields to go. But nice new feature to help eliminate that USB, get your data to a manageable spot so you can access it, again, real time through AgFiniti or your John Deere Operations Center account to save that headache of data transfer and, of course, allow that easier manipulation and management as you're transferring it into the combine for the fall.